Hello everyone, this is Edoardo from italessons.com. Today we're going to see how to use the verb piacere. Pay attention to this verb because even advanced students still keep on making mistakes. If I say I like something, okay, fine, it's about myself, mi piace. Maybe you already know this one. But when we say, my friends like this, or I don't know, they don't like that, you all don't like this, you start to struggle. So let's see how we can fix this today. So before we go on, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and remember that at the end of the video I will invite you to do some exercise for free on my website. Siete pronti? Cominciamo. Ok, come funziona? How does it work? Let's see. So in Italian we say mi piace la pizza. In English you say I like pizza. Let's notice one difference. So you use the subject here, which is I like pizza, you like pizza, he or she likes pizza. So you are doing the liking, if you will. In Italian instead, mi piace la pizza means pizza is liked by me. Okay? Ti piace la pizza, pizza is liked by you. So keep in mind this, because each time you use this verb, you are not going to use subjects, but indirect pronouns. So I've already made a video which you will see top right now. If you're watching with your phone, you can watch it, and this is about pronomi indiretti. So today I'm not going to explain pronomi indiretti, but I'm just gonna show you which ones are pronomi indiretti. Let's see, pronomi indiretti. So I will use pronomi indiretti atoni, which are the ones you see now here. Mi, ti, gli, le, these are the singular ones. So me, it's for myself, ti is for you, yourself, gli is for him, le is for her. It could also be you formal, le. Then plural, ci, vi, and gli. So as you can see, gli works for they like, but also for he likes, okay? So mi piace il vino rosso. I like red wine. Ti piace il vino rosso. You like red wine. Gli piace il vino rosso. So in this case, as I wrote, if I know who likes something, okay, or who likes someone, so who is actually doing the liking in here? Because we cannot just say he likes if we haven't said whom. So maybe we need to say Giovanni likes wine, but he doesn't like beer, okay? So if I already know I'm talking about Giovanni, I can just say gli piace. It's just like in English, we cannot just say he doesn't like beer if I haven't said whom, okay? So same logic. So these are called pronomi indiretti atoni, and they are the shortest ones. So mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vi, and gli. Let's see now, what if I don't know who is doing the liking? So I can't use pronomi indiretti atoni in this case. I will have to use pronomi indiretti tonici. So they have exactly the same logical function. But if I need or want to specify or point out who likes something, who is doing the liking, I have to use these ones. So keep in mind, when you use the verb piacere and you talk about Giovanni, Maria, whoever, you need to start with a. So a me piace, I can use this one to remark that I like red wine. I can say mi piace il vino rosso, but I could also say a me piace il vino rosso. But if we go to a lui and a lei, so in this case, if I say Giovanni doesn't like wine, but he likes beer, what shall I say? A Giovanni non piace il vino, ma gli piace la birra. So the first one that I'm using, it's indiretto tonico, right? A someone, in this case Giovanni. I've just put non in between because it's negative. So a Giovanni non piace, but the structure is always the same. So a someone and then piace, or non piace if it's negative. Ma non gli piace la birra. So now gli, I'm using indiretto atono, right? Because I know I'm talking about Giovanni. Even in English, you wouldn't say Giovanni doesn't like beer, Giovanni likes wine. You would just say he likes wine, because we've already said Giovanni, right? So we don't want to repeat. Let's do the feminine. I can say a Maria non piace il vino, ma le piace la birra. Exactly the same thing. Okay, let's now see singular and plural. Because in Italian, when you use the verb piacere, since it's something that it's liked by me, this thing is actually doing the action, okay? So we need to conjugate according to it or them. So for example, I can ask you, ti piace il pesce? Do you like fish? You can say, non mi piace, I don't like it. Ma, but, mi piacciono le patatine, I like chips. So in this case, I can't say mi piace le patatine, because it's all of them that are liked by me, right? So patatine is plural, so I have to say mi piacciono le patatine. Mi piace il pesce. So when I say mi piace, you're already expecting something singular or a verb. We will see this soon. If I say mi piacciono, I'm already expecting something plural. Okay? Let's see. Mi piace or a me piace, I've already said. So me, if I know who is doing the liking, so the ones on the left, mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vigli. And a me, a te, a lui, a lei, and so on, if I don't know yet and I need to point out to specify who is doing the liking. So we use piace for something singular, so il pesce, or a verb. So I can say, mi piace ballare, I like dancing. I can ask you, ti piace ballare? Do you like dancing? And you can reply, sì, mi piace. Or sì, mi piace ballare if you want. Let's see the plural. Same thing, so mi or a me, ti or a te. Piacciono, so I'm expecting something plural. So mi piacciono le patatine. Okay, I can say she likes chips. So le piacciono le patatine, or a lei piacciono le patatine. If I have to say Giovanna likes chips, so I have to use a plus name. A Giovanna piacciono le patatine. A Maria non piacciono le patatine. Okay, let's move on. Here you have the conjugation of the whole verb piacere. Most of the times you only use piace and piacciono because you like it or you like them most of the times. But what about I like you, for example? So in this case, you are liked by me, because when I say I like pizza is liked by me, right? So if I say I like you, you are liked by me. If I want to ask you, do you like me? Then it would be, am I liked by you? So I would go piaccio, for example. Piaccio is I am liked, or am I liked. Piaci, you are liked. Piace, we've already seen this one. Piacciamo, we all are liked. Piacete, you guys are liked. And piacciono, we've already seen this one. They are liked. So let's see this example. So we have this guy who says, mi piaci. And she replies, ti piaccio? A me piace Andrea. So the guy says, I like you. You are liked by me. And she replies, ti piaccio? Do you like me? A me piace Andrea. I like Andrea. So in this case, she could have said, mi piace Andrea. But she wants to remark that it's, look, to me, you are not the one. Andrea is the one, right? So she's remarking the fact that she likes Andrea, right? Let's see another example. So here we have a manager, direttore in Italian, and he says, ragazzi, mi piacete, siete assunti. So guys, I like you, both of you, mi piacete. Siete assunti, you are hired. Let's see what he replies. He says, siamo contenti che le piacciamo. So siamo contenti, we are happy che, that. Le is to you formal, so they are not being informal with each other, they are being formal with each other. He's their boss, right? So he says le. He can't say ti because he's not a friend, okay? It's his boss. So le piacciamo, we are happy that you, formal, like us, that we are liked. by you. So piacciamo, we are doing the action to be liked by you. Le piacciamo. Okay guys, that's it. I really hope you liked this video. If so, please leave a like, and don't forget that in the description you will find a link which will take you to my website where you can practice for free what you've learned. Ciao ragazzi!
Italians.com.
Learn Italian online.